Samsung recently launched its Galaxy S24 series, but there have been reports of display issues, particularly with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Users on Reddit have reported display anomalies, including a persistent green stripe, and in some cases, white stripes on their screens. Despite trying standard troubleshooting steps like reboots and factory resets, affected users have found that the green stripe issue persists. While the number of reported cases appears limited for now, the fact that multiple instances have occurred within a short time frame raises concerns about potential quality control issues with Samsung's flagship device. Some users have sought assistance from their mobile operators, requesting either a replacement device or a full refund. However, they have reportedly not received satisfactory resolutions to their problems. It's important to note that these reported cases may not represent widespread production issues. Still, they highlight the need for Samsung to conduct further investigation into the matter. Samsung has not released an official statement on the issue, leaving many users worried about the device's quality and the responsiveness of customer service. It's possible that the green stripe issue is software related, and a future update could potentially resolve it. However, Samsung needs to address these concerns transparently and promptly, including investigating the cause, providing solutions, and communicating clearly with affected users. This is crucial to maintain consumer confidence in the Galaxy S24 Ultra.